I saw it when it came in and it was scary.
All of my projects start off as a really, really good idea.
It's basically a story of passion, perseverance, and just wanting to complete it. 2017, we wound up receiving some photos of a vehicle that he purchased. A 1960 356B T5.
When I got the car, I was so naive. I didn't know these cars at all.
Somebody chopped off the A-pillars, turned it into a speedster look.
Steve politely says there's nothing to mount the engine to.
It's just like, hey, this is just not a project that we can take on.
It was not for the timid.
It went from a roadster recreation type thing to a, hey, I think we might be able to put this thing back to original.
Fast forward 2025, spent a couple hours out there at his garage, looked at what he had, and we're like, wow, you actually have something here. He had taken the time to shrink those high cut fenders back down to near perfect. Problem was, they weren't. Received a text message and it's got a video on it. He's got a grinder cutting out those fenders. We knew at that point he was committed.
We had 4 months from a shell to get this car finished. That's a Herculean effort.
This car is, we don't even know where the parts are at. They're in boxes, they're falling out of boxes.
It's stressing you out.
It is.
Parts procurement just took place. What we wanted to keep, didn't want to keep, what parts we could still use from the original car, what parts we could restore, what parts we couldn't restore. A lot of studying, trying to figure out if one part truly came with the car. Porsche Classic parts became available. All of these items that we needed, they're readily available from Porsche, so we're just blown away from that.
Everything's got to be perfect. You fuss over every little detail. When somebody does sheet metal work and they say, this guy did his own sheet metal work, oh man, this is like a backyard mechanic. I thought there was going to be something major like the torsion bars or something wasn't welded in right, but it didn't happen. Every piece of sheet metal, everything that we fit pieces into that he had replaced, all fit really well. Yeah, Troy did a great job.
It's not our first 356, but each one's different. Each one tells a different story. With timing, it's not something you can plan because you don't know when it's going to be done. The greatest thing is a community. You guys ready for an impromptu?
Here we go.
There's something about cars that were made by hand. To see the little hammer marks on the inside of the hood, I love that.
The stance, I nailed that right out of the gate. First time. The 1600 badges, when you put them on, it's like, oh God, it looks so good.
Here's another car that was saved in 1960 at that.
Love doing car restorations. I still do, even after this car.
You can take something that looks like it's impossible and make it possible. This is the story of that right here.
Kendall, let's start something great.